Discovered no pressure on the pliers during use. First, confirm what reasons may affect the use. Problem 1. Return oil switch. Verify that the thumb screw is tightened. We'll tighten the thumb screw and tap it with a hammer. Quick operation handle. Empty the air inside. Confirm that it can be used normally. Possible factor 2. Down die holder. Rotate down die holder. Place the parts aside. Remove the piston. Find foreign objects when clean. Clean the sealing ring with rust remover. Remove spring and steel ball. Confirm whether there is dirt. Clean if there is foreign matter. Clean rust stains with rust remover. After cleaning, reinstall it. Reinstall the piston. Press down hard. Hydraulic head spring installation. Screw on the pliers head. Operate the handle repeatedly to push the crimping die to a closed position. Confirm if it can be used normally. Possible factor 3. Oil reservoir. When there is oil reservoir or maintenance is needed in the oil pan, causing inability to use. Open handle grip. Spin out oil plug. Draw now nozzle oil. Remove the O-ring from the body handle base. Remove the oil reservoir. Remove the magnet. Cleaning magnets with rust remover. Open up the valve and take out the steel ball inside. Clean with rust remover. Replace the ball and tighten the screw. After cleaning, put it back. Pull down an oil reservoir. Install the O-ring. Fill oil. Turn on the return oil switch. Operate the handle repeatedly to expel the air inside the pliers. Exhaust air insert will pull go. Spin back the handy. Confirm if the tool is being used properly.